Hi guys, it's Goddess Girl. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing with the new Dior perfume that I just bought. This is too beautiful. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Dior Joy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks too beautiful, just like me. I went to the mall and I was looking for the Poison Girl, just like Jeremiah fragrance that he loved, and I couldn't find it. And salesperson told me that if you put Chador and Joy together, it would be like Poison Girl, and stupid girl like me would buy that, so I did it. It feels so different than other Dior fragrance. This one feels light and floral. So I bought this one for 90 mils. Just ignore my friend, he's annoying. So I just did some research, and the top notes are bergamot, mandarin orange. Middle notes are jasmine, grass, rose, peach, and cassis. And base notes are white musk, sandalwood, patchouli, and benzoin. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. So this is my first impression. This is interesting. It smells like rose and kind of like fresh, just like Chador with jasmine. Kind of like that. I'm gonna try on my friend too.
Oh, I love this smell.
Oh my god, I like it more than I thought I would. This reminds me of Chador but put a lot of rose in it, and it's interesting. So this is my new favorite. Now I'm gonna jump in the water like Jinlong. Do you like it?
Yeah, so much. I love it. I think it's sweet, but not that sweet. It's quite strong as a woman, as a power of woman, but still sweet in the same way.
I think this one is for like sweet but confident woman.
Yes.
And the packaging is so beautiful. It's like magnet. So my friend thinks this one is like Miss Dior but more mature. So I don't know, but it's so fresh and beautiful. So I love it. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, it's been 6 hours. Right now it's 10 p.m. and for the perfume, I still could smell Joy. It's not like, it's kind of sheer right now, but I still could smell it. So it's kind of good for the long lasting. I feel like it's not super long lasting like Miss Dior. That one for me is like last for the next day, but this one is really light and still on. I kind of like it. So when it dries down, I could smell a lot of roses. If you like rose, I think you will love this. And this is kind of something new. I never smelled something like this before, so I think it's kind of unique for Joy. It's fresh, sweet, has some kind of musk as well. So I think it's kind of unique one. And that's my final thought. That's it, everyone. This is my final thought. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.